Now we are talking about broker. Hopefully in the end of content, everything become clear about how to select the best broker for ourselves. Selecting a broker is very critical to support our trading success. Here are 6 things to consider before we pick a broker. Regulation. Regulation is very important as it will reduce our risk to broker as our trading partner. Regulation acts as a safeguard for us as it tells us the broker has been well compliant to regulator operational standards strictly. There are 4-tier regulator. As your money grow, pick only broker with at least tier 2 regulator. Tier 1 regulators such as ASIC, MAS, FCA. Tier 2 such as HISEC. The next thing is about experience. Broker experience means how long a broker has been operating. The longer means the broker can sustain to market turmoil. All the broker is usually more mature and it tells us that the broker is operating under good management. Broker type. Just before we only know either DD or NDD type of broker. DD means a broker will interfere with our order, and DD, the broker, will pass our order to their liquidity provider. It is really hard for us to identify how a broker works as it is inaccessible for us. As now financial technology has been improving very well, things behind a broker are getting more complex. Most brokers adopt a hybrid operation model. It helps brokers to increase operational efficiency. In return, their revenue will increase. As a result, now we only can identify them as STP or market maker. If a broker participates in market, we call them market maker. Market maker means the broker will actively collect, buy and sell orders. In other words, they are acting as a liquidity provider. The other broker, they act as an agent, passing all order to liquidity provider, enjoying profit from spread and or commission only. This type of broker is called STP broker. None of them better. They have their own characteristics that can give us benefit. Account type. Account type can be differentiated by contract size and spread size. By contract size, as a retail trader, there are 2 types of account, standard and micro. For currency pair, one standard account will have 100k per lot, while micro will only have 1k per lot. For beginner, micro account is really helpful as they can learn trading by having the low risk possible. Trading rule. When you are getting more serious, you need to understand careful about trading rule adopted by a broker. There are some broker has specific condition about how to open and close position. For example, we can't put a position during news, or they may require a certain distance of limit or stop order to be put away from market price. In the past, I had encountered a broker who need us to open position for a minimum of time to have the order qualified as redeemable order if it is closed profitable. Deposit and withdrawal process. Last thing is about funding. There are some broker has a long process for deposit and withdrawal. Pay attention about how and what are the costs for making a transaction.